Are you tired of restless nights and waking up feeling groggy? What if we told you that a simple and delicious beverage could be the key to a good night's sleep and better overall health? Get ready to be amazed by the incredible benefits of drinking green tea at night. In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing benefits of this nighttime ritual, plus a bonus benefit you won't want to miss. So brew yourself a cup of green tea, sit back, and let's dive into the world of healthier sleep and improved well-being. 1. Improves sleep quality. Do you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep throughout the night? Drinking green tea before bed can help. Green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Although green tea does contain caffeine, the presence of L-theanine counteracts the stimulant effects, helping you to feel calm and relaxed as you drift off to sleep. So, if you're looking for a natural sleep aid, consider adding a cup of green tea to your nighttime routine. 2. Boosts metabolism and supports weight loss. Did you know that drinking green tea at night can actually help boost your metabolism and support weight loss? Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat burning. Drinking green tea before bed can help to increase your body's calorie-burning abilities while you sleep, making it an excellent addition to your weight loss plan. 3. Enhances brain function. Green tea isn't just beneficial for your body, it's also great for your brain. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea has been shown to improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and increase focus. Drinking green tea at night can help you relax while still keeping your mind sharp, making it an excellent choice for those late-night study sessions or creative projects. 4. Supports immune system health. Did you know that green tea can help boost your immune system? It's true. The antioxidants and polyphenols found in green tea have powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help your body fight off infections and illness. Drinking green tea at night can help support your immune system, keeping you healthy and protected from common colds, flu, and other illnesses. 5. Reduces stress and anxiety. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, a cup of green tea at night might be just what you need. The L-theanine in green tea has been shown to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation, making it an excellent natural remedy for anxiety. Drinking green tea before bed can help you unwind after a long day, allowing you to fall asleep more easily and wake up feeling refreshed. 6. Promotes heart health. Drinking green tea at night can also help support a healthy heart. The antioxidants in green tea have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function, all of which are essential for maintaining good heart health. By incorporating green tea into your nighttime routine, you can protect your heart and reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular disease. 7. Improves digestion. Green tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues. The antioxidants and catechins in green tea can help improve digestion by reducing inflammation in the gut and promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Drinking green tea at night can help alleviate bloating, indigestion, and other digestive discomforts, ensuring a more restful night's sleep. 8. Enhances skin health. Want to wake up with glowing, youthful skin? Drinking green tea at night might be the answer. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help protect your skin from environmental damage and promote a healthy complexion. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can also help reduce redness and irritation, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Incorporating green tea into your nighttime routine can help you achieve a more radiant and youthful appearance. 9. Fights aging. Green tea is a powerful weapon in the fight against aging. The antioxidants in green tea help to neutralize free radicals, which are responsible for causing cellular damage and accelerating the aging process. By drinking green tea at night, you can help protect your body from the damaging effects of these free radicals, promoting overall health and longevity. 10. Supports healthy teeth and gums. Did you know that green tea can help improve your oral health? The catechins in green tea have been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing plaque formation and preventing tooth decay. Drinking green tea at night can help support healthy teeth and gums, ensuring a bright and beautiful smile. 11. Reduces the risk of cancer. As a unique bonus, green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. The powerful antioxidants in green tea can help protect your cells from damage that can lead to the development of cancer. Regular consumption of green tea, especially at night when your body is in a state of repair, can provide an extra layer of defense against this deadly disease. Potential drawbacks. Although green tea offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consider potential drawbacks of drinking it at night. For some individuals, the caffeine content in green tea might still interfere with their sleep, especially if they are sensitive to caffeine. If this is a concern, consider opting for a decaffeinated green tea instead. Also, avoid consuming green tea on an empty stomach or too close to bedtime, as it can potentially cause stomach discomfort or heartburn. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of drinking green tea at night, plus a unique bonus benefit for reducing the risk of cancer. By incorporating green tea into your nighttime routine, you can unlock the secrets to better sleep, improved health, and a more radiant appearance. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. We'd love to hear about your experiences with green tea or any other health tips you might have. Be sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and wellness advice. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.